The first thing you want to do is shut off the water supply. Turn off the water supply by turning the shutoff valve clockwise. Next, disconnect the water supply. Disconnect the water supply line from the toilet tank with an adjustable wrench. Have a bucket ready to catch any water dripping from the supply line. Use a screwdriver to remove the caps covering the bolts at the base of the toilet, and then unscrew the nuts using an adjustable wrench. With a utility knife, cut through the caulk around the base of the toilet. Next, remove the toilet water tank. Unscrew the bolts connecting the toilet tank to the bowl using a screwdriver. Carefully lift the tank off the bowl and set it aside. Now we're ready to pull out the old toilet. Prepare a place to put the toilet, then lift it up and pull it free from the flange. Be ready for any last bits of water to spill out during this step. Next, we're going to clean off the wax ring and the flange. If there was an old wax ring, clean off the flange with a putty knife or shop towels. If you're not replacing the toilet immediately, stuff a rag into the drain opening to prevent sewer gases from escaping.